Any data type is a very like superset basically of all the available data types in the TypeScript. So whenever we are declaring any variable, like we have seen in our earlier video, like we declare a variable with a let keyword, and we give here we need to give the type of the variable and then the assignment, right? So over here, like ABC, this is the way how we declare a variable with a type, right? So if we do not define this type and we give it as an any, like suppose this is something my dynamic value, this is some value which I'm not sure what data type it would be, like I'm getting it from some web service or something else. So this kind of value I'm not aware whether it is a string, a number, or something like that. So what I can when I'm not sure about the data type, we can use any. So any is a superset basically of all available data type. So this is the way how we declare a variable with the data type, the name of the variable, colon, and the type of the variable and the value. Okay.